So navigate to your test. Take the test or quiz. And this question wants an image uploaded. So to upload an image, go to this icon, Embed Image. Go to Canvas, and then you can go to My Files and Upload File. This will take you to your hard drive on your computer. Find the image that you want to upload and open it. If it's a large image, it will take a while to upload. If you can reduce the size of your images or use PNGs instead of JPEGs, you'll have smaller images and faster uploads. Once it's uploaded, select it and go to Update. This will place it in the quiz in the answer any other questions, and submit your quiz. And that's it.